In this tutorial, I will show you how to find the hex color code of an image using Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click the Create a Design button in the top right corner. Next, choose Custom Size and enter 100 for the width and 50 for the height to create a simple practice canvas. After the blank canvas opens, go to the left side menu and click Uploads. Upload the image you want to analyze and drag it onto your canvas. Resize the image if necessary so the color you want to sample is clearly visible. Next, add a shape or text to your canvas by clicking Elements or Text. Click on the element you added so the color options appear in the top toolbar. Click the color box in the toolbar and then click Add a new color. You will see the color picker panel open. Click the eyedropper tool next to the color field. Move your cursor over the image and click on the color you want to sample. The element will change to that color and the hex color code will appear in the color panel. You can copy the hex code and use it in your designs or other projects. Finally, click Share and then download if you want to save your design.